It is amazing how Amazon always finds the best, the most efficient way to deliver goods. I've seen this crazy construction 2 years ago, and last year they came up with this e-bike trailer kit. This tiny 20-inch turn e-bike just looks too small for this electric assist trailer that is just overbuilt and massive and has its own drive. And now in 2025, this insanely cool quad. I'm really fascinated how many there are in New York City. It's really cool. I see them a lot in New York City, everywhere. Yeah. Yeah, they're pretty cool and they're everywhere in the city. Only 12 miles an hour, but this can go much faster. But I think for the city, this is so useful. Something cool. I stopped because this thing is like, this stuff is really nice.
What's your
It's called Electric Vehicle Space. So you can check it out. But I've seen this in pictures. I posted last year models and previous years. Yeah. But this is like, look at this thing. This is sick, dude. This thing is like so much better.
I'm not gonna lie, it's dead fire though. Like it like you hold this down, bro. It really go. I've been going like the whole New York with it.
Whole New York all day?
The whole New York all day with this, yeah.
This is sick, man. And the seat is adjustable. Oh, it's enclosed.
Look, you basically, bro. If this was like mine, bro, if I could really have this, bro.
This is probably expensive.
This shit up. I'll probably put like kitchen shit in this shit and I'll be selling food out here with this shit, bro. You know,
this is cool.
E-bike, bro. Every cops that try to get me a ticket with this, and it's like, what are you getting the ticket? An e-bike?
So they can't give you a ticket?
I don't got no license plate, nah.
And the police doesn't require that, right? Or they require?
Nah. They just try to tell you, like, you know, try to get information and stuff, but they can't really do nothing. It's an e-bike, just like that one. That's an e-bike too.
Yeah, but that's different. Yeah. Well, yeah. You have 4-wheel drive and you have like dual drive, I believe, right?
And this thing got suspensions on it. It got it's pedal assist.
Can you close this thing for the winter?
We're actually gonna get a door soon. They want
the door, sir?
But as of now, no.
No? Yeah. But I mean, the summertime is gonna be warm, so let me see here.
I also got the look, the little winter.
Oh, look at that! Holy moly, that's so cool. Do it again.
When it's raining and stuff or snowing.
That's nice. That's super nice.
The good thing is that you like in here. There's like no door. Like there's like even though there's no door, you still could like you don't really feel as much wind because there's a shield in the front, so the shield like blocks you off.
Yeah. I'm sure when you get the doors, it'll be so much nicer.
They're gonna have the doors soon.
And this is styrofoam. Yeah, this is so cool, man. 2 batteries slide out, e-bike screen, good grips. You have lights here. Hydraulic, you know, the reservoirs.
I got also the reverse on this shit.
Oh, reverse, yeah.
I got signals as well.
Signals.
You know, I can signal.
And it beeps, look at that.
Yeah, I can see, yeah.
Dude, this is awesome, man. This is really awesome.
I got a little bell, man, but I still have a stronger bell than that, man.
Yeah, that's...
I'm not really too proud about the bell.
You have mirrors, look at that.
Yeah. Oh, you need the mirrors, you know, because you can't really see on this, you know.
I can see from here the bike's coming so nicely. Dude, this is sick, man. This is so cool. Let me... Back there also. I'm not gonna get you in trouble, right, with work, right?
No. What am I doing, man? I'm stopping by, man, showing the New York.
How much weight can you put here? How many kilograms or pounds?
A lot, man.
A lot?
And this is nothing today, man. They gave me a good day today. On another good day today. So I'm saying I'm on a double today, man. This is double good today.
That's nice. That's super nice. Bro, my name is Vitaly.
Yo, nice meeting you, bro.
Nice meeting you, and thank you for stopping by. And you'll check out my channel later on. We'll see the video.
All right, man. I'll check it out, man. I'll see what's up, man.
Awesome.
My boy.
Thanks, man.